What if I told you that starting from absolute zero, no savings, no investing experience, no extra income, you could have $1,000 saved in just 90 days? Not by getting a second job, not by winning anything, not by some financial miracle, just by following a simple system that works on any income. Today, I am going to walk you through the exact step-by-step plan to go from zero to $1,000 saved in 90 days. Real numbers, real actions, starting today. Welcome back to From Zero to Wealthy. Today is one of the most practical videos we have ever made on this channel. No theory, no abstract concepts, just a clear, actionable 90-day roadmap that anybody can follow regardless of how much they currently earn. If you have zero saved right now, this video is for you. If you have tried to save before and failed, this video is for you. And if you just want a fresh start and a proven system, this video is for you. Let us get into it. Why $1,000 first? Before we get into the plan, let me explain why $1,000 is the most important financial goal you can have right now if you are starting from zero. $1,000 is your financial buffer. It is the wall between you and debt. Without it, one flat tire, one unexpected bill, one medical copay sends you straight to a credit card. And credit card debt at 19% interest is the single fastest way to destroy any financial progress you make. Studies consistently show that people with just $1,000 in savings experience dramatically less financial stress than those with nothing. Your first $1,000 does not just protect your wallet, it protects your mental health. It changes your identity. You stop being someone who has nothing saved and you become someone who has a financial foundation. And that shift in identity is what makes every financial goal after this one easier to achieve. The math. Here is the math. $1,000 in 90 days means saving $11.11 per day. That is it. Now, I know what you are thinking. I barely have enough for my bills. I cannot find $11 a day. And that is exactly why we are going to attack this from two directions at the same time. We are going to cut what goes out and add what comes in. Because saving $1,000 in 90 days is not about one big sacrifice. It is about a series of small daily decisions that add up to something life-changing. Month 1. The audit and cut. Month 1 is about finding the money you are already wasting. Here is what you do in week 1. Go through every single bank and credit card transaction from the last 30 days. Every subscription, every recurring charge, every impulse purchase. Write them all down. Most people find between $100 and $300 per month in spending they do not even remember making. Subscriptions to apps they never open. Streaming services they forgot about. Free trials that became paid plans. Cancel everything you have not actively used in the last 30 days. That one action alone often frees up $20 to $60 per month instantly. Next, look at your food spending. The average person spends between $200 and $400 per month on food outside their home. Restaurants, coffee shops, delivery apps, convenience store runs. You do not need to stop eating out completely. Just cook dinner at home 4 more times per week than you currently do. That one change can save $50 to $150 per month immediately. Now take all of that saved money and on the very same day you find it, transfer it to a separate savings account. Not your main account. A separate account that you do not have a debit card for. Out of sight, out of reach. That is your $1,000 fund. Month 2. Add income. Month 2 is about adding money coming in, because cutting alone may not get you to $1,000 fast enough. And this is where most savings advice fails people. They only talk about cutting, but the fastest way to save more is to earn more, even temporarily. Here are 3 ways to add income this month that require 0 special skills and 0 startup costs. First, sell things you do not use. Go through your home right now. Clothes you have not worn in a year. Electronics collecting dust. Furniture you no longer need. Books, games, appliances. List them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. The average person has between $200 and $500 worth of unused items sitting in their home right now. Second, offer a service in your neighborhood. Lawn mowing, car washing, grocery runs for elderly neighbors, dog walking, cleaning. These are services people pay for every single week. One client who pays you $50 a week is $200 extra per month. Third, sell a skill online. Can you write, design, edit videos, translate, tutor? Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer services to clients around the world starting today with zero experience required. Even one small project per week adds up fast. Take every dollar of extra income you generate this month and send it straight to your $1,000 fund. Do not let it touch your spending account. Month 3, the sprint. Month 3 is your sprint to the finish line. By now you have cut your expenses, found hidden savings, and added at least one extra income stream. Month 3 is about maximizing everything you have built and pushing hard to cross the $1,000 line. Here is your Month 3 checklist. Review your subscriptions again. Cancel anything new that crept back in. Double down on whichever income stream worked best in Month 2. Cook at home as much as possible this month. This is a 90-day sprint, not a lifetime commitment. Avoid all non-essential purchases for the entire month. Every time you want to buy something that is not a necessity, wait 48 hours. Most impulse purchases disappear after 48 hours, and every single dollar you save or earn above your basic bills goes straight to the fund. By the end of Month 3, if you have followed this plan consistently, you will have your $1,000. Some of you will hit it sooner, and the moment you do not spend it. Let it sit. Because that $1,000 is now working for you as a financial buffer every single day. What to do after $1,000? Once you hit $1,000, do not stop. Keep the same habits and the same system running. Your next goal is 3 months of living expenses, your full emergency fund. After that, every dollar above your emergency fund goes into investing. Index funds, real estate, a business. The same discipline that got you to $1,000 will get you to $10,000. And the same discipline that gets you to $10,000 will get you to $100,000. The habits are the same, only the numbers change. 90 days, $11 a day. One simple system attacking from 2 directions at once. That is all it takes to go from $0 to $1,000 saved. You do not need a higher salary. You do not need a windfall. You need a plan and the discipline to follow it for 90 days. Start today. Open a separate savings account right now before this video ends. Name it $1,000 fund and make your first transfer, even if it is just $5. Because the hardest part of saving is not the math, it is starting. And you just did that by watching this video. If this gave you a clear path forward, hit like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to From Zero to Wealthy for more weekly content on building real lasting wealth. I will see you in the next one.